In this video, I'll show you how to set up a recurring invoice in Zoho Books. First, log in to your Zoho Books account. If recurring invoices is not enabled, click Settings in the top right corner, open General under Preferences, enable Recurring Invoice, and click Save. Next, go to Sales in the left sidebar and select Recurring Invoices. Click the plus New button in the top right corner. Now, select the customer name and enter a profile name for this recurring invoice. After that, choose how often the invoice should repeat under Repeat Every. You can select options such as weekly, monthly, or yearly, or choose custom for a different schedule. Next, add the products or services you want to bill for, including the quantity and rate. You can also add customer notes and terms and conditions if needed. Then, review the invoice details carefully. Depending on your settings, Zoho Books can create the invoices as drafts or automatically create and send them to the customer. Finally, click Save to create your recurring invoice. Zoho Books will then generate future invoices according to the schedule you selected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a recurring invoice in Zoho Books. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.